Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can include multiple events to your Google Calendar straight from Google Sheets. So what we're going to do here in this video is insert events that are included in your Google Sheets and automatically set them in your agenda within Google Calendar. This I originally did this based on the tutorial that you'll find. I'll set the URL in the description. This is the Google Sheet Pro Tips, how to automatically add schedules from Google Sheets into Calendar. My original code, I'll be happy to share it with you. Just post me a comment in the video and I'll be happy to share the code with you. What it did was that, and this worked really good for a really long time. I used this to schedule my leave time just so I know how many hours I accumulated and how many I had left. So this was very useful for me as a internal control. So what I did here is that, or what I didn't like about this code was that I had to manually modify the date and the time. So I didn't like to do this. It was time consuming and it was prone to error. So in my new code, the only thing you have to do is set a date with the date picker or date selector. And let me just show you. I selected December 21st. If we go to Google Calendar, there's no events in December 21st. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the initiation time, let's say 1:15, and then the end time 8:15. We're gonna set the title for the slot demo, and we're gonna set the description. Let's do a long description so you can see how this works. And then I'm gonna set a category. So the category is something that's going to be included within the description, but this is just the use case that I have. The good thing is that, or what you can do is you can add multiple columns and just add whichever information you need in the description with columns. Again, you're working with Google Sheets, so that's going to help you to build graphs, to do analysis of the events that you schedule throughout the year for whichever purpose you need that for. So here I'm going to set this to the word in Spanish that means schedule, and I'm going to share this event with an email here. By the way, if you're interested in this new version of the code, please send me an email to this. Send an email to this address. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Calendar and I'm going to click on Schedule. What's going to happen is that the status is going to be updated, and when I go to Google Calendar, I'm going to see that the event was created and the date that I selected in Google Sheets. So we see that in December 21st, we have an event here. And if we look within the event, we see that we have the invitee, which I can click here so he can receive an email with this invitation. And we see the category and the description. The slot was created in the exact time that I requested, so everything worked perfect. Again, hope you like this tool. I'll be happy to share my original code. The only thing is that with this original code, you have to insert or modify the date and time manually. If you want this new version of the code, just send an email to this email address and I'll be in touch with you as soon as possible. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Bye-bye.